Hi there, in this video I am going to show you that how can we install and download the dynamic island feature, which is usually used in the iPhones. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser or any browser that you use in your PC. Then search there xwidget like this and click on the first one, which is www.xwidget.com, and then click on the download option here, and your file will be downloaded successfully in a while. If this file will be in the zip form, then you have to just extract it. Like I am extracting here my file. I click on it and just extract all, and then click on the next option here and then cross it. Now open it by double click on it, and yes, it will be open. Then click on yes, and then click on the next. This is installation process. You have to just click on the next, and yes, click here yes, and then click on the next again, and then it will be processing, and then click on the finish here like this, and you will find here this type of the interface. You have to just click on this option, and here you will find such type of the interface, and search in the search box dynamic island. You must know that this is a feature of iPhone that you can use in your window, and here are the two options available for you. You have to just click on the second one and scroll down. You will find here an option of download for free. Just click on it and yes, you have done it successfully. Now you can use this feature of iPhone in your system, laptop or PC easily. Here are different options. I hope this video will help you. Give a like to this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thanks for watching.